Assalamualaikum girls. So today we are going to start unit number 12, circuits and switches. So as we already know what is electricity and why do we need circuits. So electricity is a form of energy that we use every day. How many things in your home or school use electricity to work? If you start counting, you will end up with a long list of electrical appliances. Appliances are those objects or things which use Electrical appliances are those objects or things which use electricity to work. So, as we all know that if any electricity is flowing inside, like through cables and wires, we call it current. So, any electricity which flows through a material is called current. If the electricity is flowing through water, we call it current. If the electricity is flowing through copper wires, we call it current. If anything which through which the electricity is flowing, we call it current. Now all electrical appliances that we use in our daily lives are powered either by mains or by a battery. So appliances means things which use electricity, and all the things which we use daily are powered by mains. Mains means like the electricity which is present in the homes, like through plugs and wires or by a battery. Main powered objects are plugged in a socket in your wall. So as we know that we have sockets in our walls, and these sockets are used to plug different appliances. Mains electricity is more powerful than battery, and it is very dangerous also. The appliances which are powered by a battery are called battery powered appliances. For example, toys which need battery only, so we call them battery powered appliances. A remote control, clock, torch, watch, and some other small appliances are powered by battery. Now, complete circuit and incomplete circuit. Remember in class 3 we studied about the complete circuit is the pathway through which the electric current passes, and the incomplete circuit cannot allow the current to pass through it. This is an incomplete circuit. Here the current will not pass because here it is incomplete. And this is the complete circuit, so yes, the current will pass through this circuit. The complete path along which electricity flows is called a circuit. What is the circuit? The complete path along which electricity flows is called a circuit. Is this a complete path? Yes. Electricity needs a complete circuit to flow, and this is called a complete circuit or closed circuit. This is a closed circuit. This is an open circuit. Why? Because here it is open. This is a complete circuit, and this is a incomplete circuit. Understand? Open circuit or incomplete circuit. If there is a gap or break in the circuit, the electricity will not flow through it. Like this here, the electricity cannot flow through this circuit, and we call it incomplete circuit or open circuit. Now switches. Sometimes we want electric current to flow, sometimes we want it to stop. For example, if you are using an iron, or if you are using anything um, which uses electricity. For example, if we are using an iron or if we are using a washing machine, sometimes we want it to stop flowing, like we want the electric current to flow. Sometimes we want it to flow and sometimes we want it to stop. For example, you want to turn on a light bulb on night but turn off during the day. So what will we do? To do this, you need a switch. What is a switch? This is a switch. A switch is a device or connection that is used to turn on or off an electrical appliance. So what is a switch? A switch is a device or connection that is used to turn on or off an electrical appliance. So see, if you can see here, this is the battery here, and this is a switch, and this is the bulb. So if there is no switch, what will happen? The battery will turn on the bulb, and now we cannot turn off the bulb. So now if we have switch, what happens is that the switch can make a complete circuit and an incomplete circuit. When we turn on the switch, the circuit is complete and the bulb is light. Understand? When we turn off the switch, the bulb is turned off. Understand? And the battery provides power to the bulb. Sometimes we need the power. In daytime we will turn on the switch, and in night time we will turn off the switch. Now see, electricity can be produced from wind, water, sun, and even animal manure. So the feces of the animal, like the feces of the animal also is used to produce electricity. The electricity is also produced from sunlight, from wind, and from water also. Okay, now we were reading about switches. The switches control the flow of electric current. As I told you that the switches control the flow of electric current. When the switch is turned off, the switch the circuit becomes incomplete. So the appliance stops working. See, when I turn off the switch, what will happen? I am going to make a gap here. So if we have a gap here, it means no no electricity does not have a complete path, and no electricity will flow, and that is why we call the circuit becomes incomplete. Okay,